A 71-year-old black male from the area of 95th Street and 30th Avenue in Queens. The missing may be in need of medical attention. Description: 5 feet 8 inches tall, 250 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Last seen, 95th Street and 30th Avenue in Queens at approximately 5 p.m. on August 5, 2020. If you see the missing person, please call 1-800-577-8477 or 911. More information will be provided when available. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.